Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Tuesday, you know, so nice of you to tune back in. If you did not, and I say if you did not, go watch them shampoos. I'm mad at you, boo. I'm mad at you. You wanna know why? Because you about to moisturize your hair and your shit dirty as hell. Yup, that's what happened because you skipped the shampoos. Yep, you did it. You got some nasty hair, you just gonna try to moisturize some dirty hair, huh? That's what you do. Yeah, that's not cute. Don't do that. Head on back over. I'ma still be here for you. It's okay. Go back. Now you can come back. You know, go back and then come back. I'm here. I'm here for you. I am here for you, okay? So today we're gonna be getting into deep conditioners, which I know all of you probably tuned in for this shit. I know y'all did, you know, cause I know y'all. And I know you, cause you is my friend, you know? And friends be knowing, and like sometimes though you gotta check your friends and be like, sir, that ain't right. That's what I'm here to tell you. But it's cool. I have a few deep conditioners here that I wanna talk about. And some of them I don't think I've actually talked about in a video. So this should be interesting, and I love it. The first ones that I want to talk about, I've been obsessing with, like obsessed, okay? And those are the Camille Rose. I feel like I talked about them in the last one, but they've really earned their spot here, and I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. Camille Rose has really been keeping themselves on my shelf because I have been eliminating a lot of brands. I mean, you guys know this. You guys know this, not a secret. I can't necessarily use and keep all the products. So whoever, like, you know, makes it to my rack and stays on my rack, I think that's cool. And Camille Rose definitely got a lot of products that have been on my shelf. Love these two deep conditioners. Protein one for when you need protein, and this one for when you need more moisture. They have you covered. Love that. So the next one I want to talk about is the Taliah Waajid Green Apple and Aloe Apple Cider Deep Conditioner. And this is what it looks like. First of all, I love that it is in another packaging, only because everybody's is in a tub. Even though I did say earlier that I like that shampoo in a tub, I just like somebody being a little different, you know, so I like this or whatever. It does have a pop top though, still just like a normal, like, I don't know, shampoo or so. It is a more liquidy type of deep conditioner, which really helps with the slip of this bad boy, and it smells so good. This entire line, it just smells so good to me. I don't know, I'm just a sucker for anything green apple, but this stuff right here just really makes my hair feel nice and smooth, and I like it. I like the smell, I like the packaging, it makes my hair feel good, and I feel like the moisture lasts. It says here it helps restore the hair back to its best pH. And if you guys don't know, after you shampoo, it's always nice to add something for that pH balance. This deep conditioner says it is good for that. So, I mean, I don't know. I can't really just look at somebody here and be like, oh, your hair look like it's pH balanced. It ain't me, sis. It ain't me. I can't do it. If you know, you know, let me know. But no, it has it. It says it, what it is, what it do. But this also has coconut oil in it as well. It has coconut in it, so there's that. If you like coconut, this might be for you. It don't smell like coconut, but it has it in it. And some of y'all be like, I can't use coconut, so try, honey, let me tell you, got coconut, girl. Shit. So the next deep conditioner I want to talk about is the Triple Treat Deep Conditioner by Waajid. It looks like this. And it has a lot of product in here, but I'm pretty much halfway done with this. Now the smell, it smells very salonish. It smell, I don't know, not salonish, but it don't have like a fruity scent or anything that you'd be like, actually it has like just a salami scent, honestly. It got a salami scent to it. Now as you can see right there, it's for kinky curls, and it is a big tub, and I kind of really like that they put it in a bigger tub, because they were like, listen, if this is gonna be for kinky girls, we need it to be a little bit bigger, because they do have other deep conditioners, but I like this one. It's really good, very moisturizing. So if you haven't tried Waajid, or if you see it in the store, you want to pick it up, it's good. All I'm saying is it's good. I'm not saying go buy it. I'm just saying it's good. So the next product I want to talk about is the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin. Now, I saw this on Instagram a while back. You guys have probably seen this all over the place, but I finally tried it, and y'all, It's almost gone. I'm really trying my best. It's literally almost gone, y'all. I'm trying my best to not use the last little bit of this. And it did come with a little comb brush thing. Let me show you. Okay, I don't know what that little brush is, but I love this stuff. It is so moisturizing. As soon as you put it on your hair, you feel a difference. Now, I don't think this is curly girl friendly. I'm not gonna sit here and read this a little bit of handwriting. I'm just not gonna, look at it, look at it, friend, look. Who you think finna read that? And that, I bet it ain't me. I bet it ain't me. I ain't finna read it, but honey, you go ahead and go on the website if you feel the need. But this is a really good one. I feel like this is expensive though. They sent it to me, but I really feel like this ain't even cheap. But this, it does have coconut and it has fig. It has coconut and fig in it. So I don't know what they put in this, but my hair be feeling amazing after I use this stuff. And I know I've never mentioned it. That's because I ain't got that much to be using, but it is really good. And the next one I want to talk about is the Curlsmith Double Cream Deep Quencher. This bad boy here. Honestly, I really like all of Curlsmith deep conditioners. They have two. I have another one. I'm looking at my shelf right now, but they have another one. But this one right here is really good. I actually do like the little tin tops. I like how the packaging just looks like a newspaper. I feel like they really did really well with their packaging. And this smells so good. And like I told you, their products are cruelty-free. Their products are cruelty-free and vegan. And it just makes you feel very safe about what you're putting on your hair when you know it's like top of the top clean, you know. I love everything by Curlsmith, and it's crazy that I don't even use their products as much in videos because I do use it. So I need to start trying to incorporate more Curlsmith into my videos because I do use it. Yeah, this bad boy smells good. Now this is when I want to moisturize my hair. Let me see. If I want to moisturize my hair, y'all, I got the Coco Eve, the Curlsmith. This is when I really want some moisture right here. These three bad boys right there. And the Camille Rose, the nectar. Yeah. This repair treatment. Yeah. Moisture, baby. Moisture, okay? And the last one definitely gives me the moisture. And I highly recommend you go ahead and purchase. And I highly recommend you try it because it is Lovely Bees Oh Honey Moisture Mask. You guys, this is what it looks like, and let me show you the creaminess. Ooh, y'all, this smells like bananas, and it's so moisturizing. Like, I was not expecting her deep conditioner to do what it did. She did send these products over to me, and I didn't know she was even sending it, but yo, this deep conditioner is great. And I didn't even know she had a deep conditioner. All I knew that she had was the edge control, which I do love, but I didn't know she had this, y'all. I love this stuff. And I even tried to talk about it on my Amazon Live because it's that good. Like, it's just that good, and I feel like people should purchase it. I don't think she has it in stock right now. I'll ask her, and then I'll let you guys know in the description bar whether it is in stock or if it's not in stock. So that is that, and those are all of my deep conditioners, all my favorites. Well, they're not all of my favorites, but they're the top. If you guys are new to my channel, I try not to put too many products in favorites videos because I just don't want you guys to be super confused on what I like. Like, I like to narrow it down so you guys really get a hold of like what I really like. And yeah, that's what I like right now. Right now though, my stuff changed. So if I go and walk over here, I'm gonna grab one of these to deep condition my hair is what I'm saying. Like, if I go wash my hair tomorrow, it's gonna be one of these bad boys. Like I said before, make sure you go ahead and check out the shampoos because you're slack-a-lacking right now. You need to be going over there and check out shampoos because you shouldn't even be watching this one if your hair ain't clean. And secondly, I better see you back here tomorrow because we're going to be talking about leave-ins, and you just can't even like go about your life. You can't even do nothing without a leave-in. Like, it's not happening. You can possibly skip a deep conditioner. I mean, your hair ain't gonna thrive, but you can skip it. You know what I'm saying? But girl, don't you ever skip a leave-in. So you better be back tomorrow. I better see you. I better see you, friend. You ain't got shit to do. No, you don't. What you gotta do? Stay at home. Quarantine, yup, yup. Quarantine, baby. So Don't even talk to me. Don't come over here with the nonsense. I'm like, well, I ain't no time. No, ma'am. We're not gonna put. No, ma'am. Come back tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bring a drink. Thank you for watching this video. And bye-bye, friend. And bye-bye.